my beautiful Leos. Welcome to Soulful Intuitive Tarot. We are going to read for you what's coming up next, what to expect for the rest of the month of December, what to expect for the rest of the month of December for my Leo. This is a general reading, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please watch for your sun, moon, and rising videos. Keep in mind, rules can be reversed. Cross watchers are welcome. And guys, do like, subscribe, share the video. Let's start with the reading. What are your feelings towards your person you are watching this reading for? Your love life, what to expect, your feelings. Leo are king of waters, that is the king of cups, a very compassionate person, understanding, trustworthy person, and they have a lot of love for you. Your feelings towards them is a lot of love. And how do you view your person? As three of earth. Yes, they you feel very happy with them, you like to work with them, you like to play with them, you like to do stuff with them. Together you are a great team. Okay, what are your person feelings for you? What are your person's feelings for you? Cards are popping out. Very good. Two cards we have seven of air and two of pentacles. So they are kind of, they think you are juggling right now. And seven of swords, and you're very very cautious about this connection. They have love for you, but you are like in a self-protective mode, not giving it easily, kind of a thing, and balancing some kind of, you are taking some kind of decision, and you're right now in the middle of should I not kind of energy, and they know it, and they are waiting for that. And your person feels like this for you, that you're not very sure about the connection. Okay, let's see how you view your person as. How do my Leo views their person as? Eight of Pentacles. You view them as they're very focused, and they are like focused on their work, maybe too much, to taking care of their pentacles, stability, and you see them as successful, very focused, highly educated also maybe. And what you are hoping for in this connection? You are hoping for the Knight of Swords. You're hoping for them to be determined and motivated towards you a little bit, to be some kind, you want them to be very you want communication in this is what tells me. You need to talk to them, you have to make sure how things go further. You're not right, you want not very sure about this. The Two of Pentacles energy is that you're trying to balance things. Okay, and you're waiting for communication from them. What is your person hoping for in this connection? Spirit says, what is Leo's person hoping for in this connection? Please tell me. They are hoping for the Page of Fire. That is, yeah, they know that you are lacking motivation, and they want this, they want you to be like, they are hoping that you come be a little more enthusiastic about the connection. Maybe you're not talking to them, you're not showing your emotions, though you have a lot of feelings, because these are your feelings right here. King of Cups, and King of Cups is, they have a lot of feelings, but they lack the ability to show them to to others, right? They are very caring, very compassionate, understanding, trustworthy, all those things, but when it comes to showing it and communicating, they have a tough time. Okay, so you want them to be clear and tell them exactly what you feel. Okay, And then we have what action you plan on taking with this person is you want a stable, you want stability with them. King of Earth, you want them to act like this. You see a stable future with them. You see them as a king of pentacles, which is stability, prosperity. They are very generous. They take care of everything. Then we have the judgment card. Okay, reflection, self-evaluation, and rebirth. What they want reconciliation. This is the action your person wants to take. They want to come reconcile with you. Okay, outcome of the situation is Seven of Earth. You have invested in this situation, both of you, and now patiently assessing, waiting for your results. You both are very hopeful. Okay, and the outcome of the situation also tells me that patience is required. Very clear assessment, investment, and patience. Okay, we will pull out some advice for you from the spirits and guides. We have not for you. Okay, so there is a cookie, there is a fortune cookie in this card, and this fortune cookie is right now not for you. This is like fortune cookies, like instantly we have to take out and find out what the this is not for you, this is not the time for you. Go the distance in this connection, but you have to have patience, so that right now is not the time. But go the distance is telling you you need to be persistent in this connection. This is not just a very easy going thing that you just they'll come and talk to you. You need to be communicating, but it's not happening right now in the month of December. Okay, we'll see what you need to surrender, Leos. What my Leos need to surrender in this connection. Spirits and guides, tell me what is that my Leos need to surrender. Surrender your need to always be right. Maybe give others the gift of letting them be right. Be yielding, not rigid. This will help resolve conflicts and improve your relationship. So see this fit, because it can be that you people are not communicating and you're being very rigid in by not letting them in your circle, in your towards you. You are like, see, the page of fire is, he has a wand here, and you are showing your person like, right now I'm not going to take any decision for you. So maybe spirits are asking, surrender to the need to be always right. A little ego kind of a situation here. If it is coming in between you guys, please let it go. Leos can be sometimes a little egoistic or stiff or rigid. Okay, we have one more card. Surrender the drama. No matter how emotionally charged the situation, remain calm and don't contribute to the drama. Staying centered will help resolve the issue more quickly. Okay, so if there is a conflict, there was a conflict in between you and you're sticking to it, spirits are asking you to let go of it. Surrender to the need. These cards are so connected. Surrender the need to be always right, and surrender to the drama. Like, because you cannot be always right, Leo. You understand, right? No one can be always right. There we make mistakes. We have to admit to them, and no one is. You can all not be always right. Try to evaluate the situation. Try to go deep into it and find out if there's something you can do right about. Okay, go the distance also means that you need to work on this situation. Okay, Leos, this was your reading. I hope it helped, and I'll see you in the next one. Please do like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And okay, light, love and light.